a memory drive. It is something that is more than enough to store the best memories of your life. The moments you've loved, the moments you've laughed, the moments you've cried, everything. Memory drive. A marvelous evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Photos. They are something that play a significant role in everybody's life. There are moments when a camera is the only device that can capture that. It can just freeze the moment for you. It might be your birthday, it might be a marriage, it might be a simple hangout with friends, it might be your graduation, anything. A memory frozen is a photo. Back in the beginnings, when there weren't so many cameras and there wasn't so much technology, you had to sit stiff. The photographer would go into a black cloth, he'd go inside, check all the lenses and all that, and he'd say, stay like that, and you sit stiff, and after a long while, there you go, one snap, one photo. And then technology changed a lot, digital cameras took over, and then all of us technology went so far that now we have it in our cell phones, so memories can easily be stored now. And then mankind went one step ahead with social networking. One click and go. You can share your best moments with all your beloved. Okay, but where are we headed? It is a very beautiful thing that we are able to save our memories, share it with our friends, and it enhances the experiences. But we live in an age of information. So when we store a memory, are we living the moment before making it a memory? This is an age of information. Our education is information. You mix two salts, this happens, supply, demand, equilibrium. Our jobs are information. I want the balance sheet ready by tomorrow, this is the thing. And we are striving so hard that we are trying to make life processes information. Eat this much, this is what will happen. Run this much, you won't get a cardiac attack. We are trying to make everything information. Nothing is an experience. We talk about stars and galaxies far away. We miss the sunset, the beautiful sunset there. Facebook connects us to people somewhere away in the world. We forget to speak to our friend. We take pics and put it on Instagram and show it to the world, but we miss the moment. What is it all about? This also represents the kind of world we are creating, a world where people need constant reassurance to feel good about themselves. What once used to be the time you spent, the richness of the time you spent with your beloved, is now moving to something, to the response on the social media, how many likes you get. You just put it, you are with your friend, you just are on your phone, you don't seem to care about your friend when you're with him, but the photo of you together on Instagram, if it gets a like, you just look at it like a stockbroker. The exchange rates, the way they look at it. Okay, yeah, bang, one like, yeah, this guy commented. Why the heck did he say that? And all sorts of emotions are happening only on something that doesn't even exist in real life. The age of information. So where are we headed because of this? These moments, these experiences, the moments become precious because, the memories become precious because of the moments we've lived, the time we've spent. What we create with this is the experiences. This is an enormous world, gentlemen. We have lots of things to see, and we've been working steadily towards one thing. We are talking about progress, a progress of a higher technology, of higher connectivity, higher knowing everything, of traveling. We speak of big dreams. This is a generation which talks only about dreams of farther worlds, of everything. But we are missing the point that's around us. Ours is such a majestic thing. Everything that's surrounding us, everything is big, everything is awesome, but we are trying so much to bring it all into just this piece of a device.
okay.
I ain't done yet. This piece of a device, of course, putting your, everybody wants to share their things. It is awesome to share and feel. It is awesome to put your photo and tell, yeah, this was me. It is awesome to grab a memory and look at it when you're old and just think, look at the nonsense I've done. They are all beautiful memories. But put your phone aside for a while and talk to the person beside you. Come out of the group chat and chat with mom. There are many more things that could add life to them. Because in the end, a memory is only a memory because of the moment lived. Instagram it might be the trend, gentlemen, but believe me, live it. That's a classic.